3, 2, 1. It's travel day! Today we're off to the most magical place on earth, Walt Disney World. We have a lengthy 23-hour travel day ahead of us, flying from New Zealand to Orlando with a short stop in Houston. First though, we have a short domestic flight to Auckland International Airport. I'm Rowie and I'm travelling with my husband Kenny. If you want to follow along with us on our Walt Disney World adventures, feel free to subscribe so you'll get alerted each week when a new video is out. Let the adventures begin. It's about 5 p.m. now. It was really quick getting through customs at Auckland, and now we're ready for some food. We've still got a few hours before we'd get dinner on the plane, so I think some trusty Maccas will tide us over until then. Check out my nails. I was going for Florida vibes. The flight time from Auckland to Houston is about 13.5 hours. We are on our way. We have boarded the plane and I'm set up with my movies for the trip. And now it's dinner time. On the menu tonight is butter chicken. It smells absolutely delicious. We've also got a green salad, a bread roll, and some Applebee ice cream. It's a real treat for dessert. This is the creamiest ice cream. It's so good. And some yummy soy snacks. Just have to wait for the drinks cart now. It's breakfast time. They're turning on the cabin lights. So that must mean it's breakfast time now. And we're coming up over Mexico. We can see it's not far from Houston now. I've managed to watch 2 movies before I felt a bit sleepy. And I'm so glad I managed to get a nap in. We have some fresh fruit, apricot and custard. Haven't had that in years. Didn't even know they still made it. Yum. A chocolate croissant and a cheese omelette with sausages and hash browns. I'm so looking forward to a coffee to go with this. Feeling a little weary, but super excited. We have landed at Houston Airport. Customs was a breeze, but the lines were long, especially at security with connecting to our next flight. We had 2 hours gap in between and got to our gate just before they announced the first boarding group. Once we got to the gate, we actually had a nice surprise. They'd moved us closer to the front and actually given us a full row too, since it wasn't a full plane. I was excited to be able to stretch out on this last 2-hour flight. We've gone from a winter to a summer and it's currently 34 degrees outside, but probably feels closer to 40 degrees Celsius. You can just feel the heat coming in through the windows. Wow, Houston is massive. It definitely opens your eyes and adjusts your perspective, especially coming from a smaller country like New Zealand. I'm looking a little weary now, but happy for some complimentary drinks and snacks. I decided to go for the pineapple and passion fruit sparkling water and savoury snacks, and Kenny got the blueberry and pomegranate. I'm really enjoying this United Airlines flight. The plane is nice, the seats are comfy, and the air conditioning is cold. There are so many lights down there. I just couldn't believe how long we flew for, and it was just lights after lights after lights. You realise how densely populated the area is compared to what we see at home.
You on board, we look forward to serving you again on another United flight. Once the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off, please stay clear of the door areas to allow your flight attendants to complete important safety duties.
Here we go, we have arrived. We made it. We've arrived at MCO, Orlando International Airport. We've got our bags and thought we would get a late dinner before we pick up our rental car. We got the deluxe Chick-fil-A sandwich, some waffle fries to share, and a pib extra. We didn't realise how hungry we were until we sat down and had a bit of a relax and managed to eat those sandwiches pretty quickly. Time now to pick up our rental car and head off to our Disney World hotel. go. Walt Disney World sign. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Coming in under that magical arch was a dream come true. Look, we've arrived at Port Orleans Riverside. I just can't believe we're here. I'm just trying to like take it all in as just like sitting here in the lobby while Kenny's parking the car and just looking around. Doesn't it look so regal and pretty? I just can't believe we're here. I'm so excited. It's time for the room tour. We're in room 2735. Kenny's gone in to turn all the lights on for me. Oh, wow. Oh, this is awesome. You come in and you can just hear the Port Orleans style music playing on the TV. I just love that. It says welcome Pat and family. Oh, it's so pretty. I've got a nice little table there to pop our things on. Oh, what's this? I think Kenny's gonna demonstrate it. Yep. Oh, that's the 5th sleeper, I guess they call it. The little pull down Murphy bed. Oh, that's so cool. I just love the imagery. It's so pretty. Oh, there we've got a little coat hook as well to pop my ears and bag on. And of course, the most important, the coffee. I've got the Walt Disney Resort blend. I'll be looking forward to those in the morning. We've got some green tea. And what else was there? Earl Grey tea. Perfect. I like those. That'll be good. And some creamer and stirrers. We've got the coffee maker there. Then we've got the fridge. Oh, that's a good size fridge. Can fit quite a bit of stuff in there. Then coming through to the bathroom. I'm so excited. Got a little area to hang your clothes there. And me. And we've got 2 double sinks. Wow, we've got a sink each. We've got some of the body lotion and soap. Oh, I love that Disney. It smells so good. It's like a nice real sea spray smell. Extra towels. Oh, I just love the detail in all the theming. Got some towels there. How's the towels feel? Oh, not too bad. Kenny will like those. They're a bit scratchier, but they'll do the job. They'll absorb the water. That's so cool. The little flies. The little flies. So pretty. What have we got here? We've got some of the... Oh yeah, we've got the Sea Marine shampoo, conditioner and body wash. Looking forward to trying those. We've got a good shower head. I love all the wood in there. It's pretty cool too. It keeps within the theme. So these cabins, these rooms here are the woods, they call them.
Ask it for something.
Hey Disney, when is...
Hang on.
Hey Disney, what time does Epcot open tomorrow for hotel guests?
I'll get Alexa for that.
Business hours for Disney's Hollywood Studios guest relations on Epcot Resort's Hollywood Studios connector in Bay Lake are not available.
Okay. I think we'll just use the TV. This is our first trip here, so I'm just so excited. Oh, we've got here. Oh, yep. We have a towel, Mickey. That's so cool. I just love these little touches they've done. Makes it feel more special. And then what view have we got? Oh, I'm looking forward to seeing what the view is in the morning. But it looks really cool out there. Well, that's about it for the room tour. And it's time for us to get some good night's sleep. If you'd like to follow along with our adventures for the rest of what we get up to, feel free to subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!